guys, today we're going to be reviewing some of, Black Smith & Western, 100 hinged handcuffs. Okay, so these are them. Okay, so my favorite thing about these are if you grab them here, you got more control over the person or suspect you are taking in, or someone's to break into your house. They're easy to just slap them on. They are very sturdy, so you don't have to worry about breaking them at all. See, that's why they're hinged. Pretty standard key. There's the key right there, you know. Pretty neat. Okay, let's see something. But, let's see. I'm thinking of maybe... Oh yeah, and, for that Minecraft video, if anybody can... I'm thinking about giving away a free Xbox Live, one free Xbox Live card if I can get, say, 5-10 subscribers maybe at the most. At least 5, guys, come on. Videos can't be that bad. Well, okay. Like, subscribe, and maybe I can do a giveaway for some of these. Alright, thank you guys for watching.